चेंज इन एंथैल्पी फॉर रिएक्शन दिस द हीट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन, देखिए सी heat of formation are given, heat of formation or of given, then we can use delta H is equal to HP minus HR. Heat of formation of standard state becomes 0, so heat of formation of water is 0. So we can use this formula because heat of formations are given. See here, what is the 2 into H H2O plus H oxygen HP minus 2 into H H2O2. Now what is the values? 2 into minus 286 plus 0, because heat of formation of oxygen is 0, minus 2 into minus 188, so what it will be minus 2 6 या 2 2 2 2 2 572 हो जाएगा. Good, minus minus plus, and this is 18 3 ja 376. 376 means this is 200 less than 200 minus 196 kilojoule per mole. This is the answer. This is the answer, minus 196 kilojoule per mole. Because heat of formations are given, then we can use this formula. Directly we can use this formula. No need to use the Hedges law. Heat of formation of standard state is 0, because here heat of formation of oxygen is 0. Clear? Now see another question. Here heat of combustions are given. See how this question is solved. Firstly, write down the equations. Heat of combustion of carbon, hydrogen and methane. You can form the combustion equations. C plus O2 is equal to CO2. See the easiest way. That is minus 94 kilocalorie. Now H2, 1 mole of H2 is constant, half O2 is equal to H2O, and delta H is equal to minus 68, and CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. So 224 2O2, and delta H is equal to minus 213. Clear? We need the delta H of this equation. See here how this question is solved. See the easiest method. You find out each and every reactant and product in the required equation from these equations. Find out. Here carbon is present, it is present in reactant. Here carbon is present, which is also present in the reactant. So this delta H is as it is. No requirement for the multiplication, because one carbon is required and one carbon is present. It is present in reactant, it is also present in reactant. Is it clear? No need to see other reactant and product. Only focused on the constituent of the required equation only. Now 2H2. See here H2 is present. but we require 2, so it must be multiplied by 2, whole equation. So delta H must be multiplied by 2, and after multiplication by 2 कितना बन गया, how much, 65, 130, 136 minus 136, and here CH4 is present, but CH4 is present in product and here it is present in reactant, so equation must be reversed, so the sign must be reversed, and add all these values, then we get the answer, no need to write down the equation after multiplying, after reversing. This equation is formed from these equation by done this one. So by adding these values we get the answer, plus 213 minus 94, see here, minus 136, add both things, 230 and plus 213, that is minus 17, good, kilocalorie. Minus 17 kilocalorie per mole is the right answer. If you done this one, then you get this equation. See here, C plus O2 is equal to CO2. If you multiplied by 2, 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. And by reversing this equation, CO2 plus 2H2O, CH4. So no worry to done this one, simply add this thing. So here delta H is minus 94, here delta H is, because it is multiplied by 2, so it is minus 236, and it is reversed, so the sign will be changed. So you surprised that we have the same equation. So see here, CO2, 2H2O, CO2, 2H2O are cancel out, and 2O2, 2O2 are also cancel out. So what is left? C plus 2H2 is equal to CH4, and this is the same equation. And you add all these things, so delta H is equal to minus 17 kilocalorie. So don't bother about it. Equation is always formed after done this one. Clear? So minus 17 kilocalorie is the answer. We move to the next question. It is already done in the concept, in which case heat of neutralization is greater than 13.7 kilocalorie. So you must remember it is always done in case of HF only, but in HF and strong base, here HF is given in 2 options, but here it is a weak base, so this is not the option. It is a strong base, so it is the option. In case of HF and strong base, because high hydration energy is evolved in the hydration of fluoride ion due to the smaller size. So this is factual based question. See here, good. See here, everything in the required equation is find out in the given equations, and done the required thing. Now C2H4, it is present in product, but we want in reactant, so this equation must be reversed. So it can be written as C2H4. Here we written as, otherwise no need to written, but For understanding, we write down this equation, and delta H is equal to minus 52 kilojoule, right? Now we require 6F2, leave it, because fluorine are present in two equations. So we cannot multiply one equation, leave it, move forward. 2CF4, so it must be multiplied by 2 because 2CF4 are required. So it is multiplied by 2, so this equation is 2C plus 4F2 gives 2CF4, delta HH minus 1320 kilojoule, right? And we required 4HF, so it is also multiplied by 2. It is also multiplied by 2, 2H2 plus 2F2, 4HF, delta H 1074, and add all these things. Then we get the required equation. See, you got this equation or not? See, you got this equation or not? See here. Which is cancel out? Nothing is cancel out. 2C are cancel out. And 2H2 is also cancel out. So what is left? C2H4 plus 6F2, 2CF4 plus 4HF, right? And this is the same equation as it is. So we need to add all these things. All are present in minus. All are present in minus. So add these things. 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 9 or 5. 9 or 5, 14. Right? 1, 1, 3, 4 and 1, 1, 2. That is minus 2, 4, 4, 6. Here we done some mistake. Okay. 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 5, 14. 2, 4, 4, 6. But the answer is minus 2486. What we done the mistake? 6, 8, 0, 2, 2, 6. Sorry, 0, 6. 1360. Oh, yeah, this is the mistake. Find out the mistake. This is minus 1360, so it must be minus 2486. So this is the answer. This is the answer, minus 2486. So this question is purely based on Hedge's law. Purely based on Hedge's law. Done? Move forward. It is present on the concept of bond energy. On the concept of bond energy. Bond dissociation enthalpy of hydrogen, chlorine and HCl are 434, 242 and 431. Enthalpy of formation of HCl. Firstly, write down the equation of formation of HCl. So it must be 1 mole and it is always formed by its constituent. Constituent is hydrogen half chlorine. This is the equation. Delta H delta H is equal to bond energy in reactant half HHH half HClCl minus HHCl. What is the values? Half into HH bond energy is 434 plus half 242 reactant minus product HHCl is 431, right? This is 217 plus 121 minus 431. This is 217, 121, this is 833, 338, 338 positive, 431. So we get minus 93 kilojoule per mole. Minus 93 kilojoule per mole. So this question is based on the bond energy concept. For previous question is based on the delta H is equal to Hp minus Hr, heat of neutralization, and Hedges law based. Hedges law based. Now we move to the next question. Is it clear? This is the easy question. This is the easy question already done in the concept, which is not a state function. You know that HESG, PVT are the state function, Q and W are not the state function. So fourth is not the state function. It is not written correctly. Delta Q cannot be written. It can be written dQ. It can be written dQ. So delta S, delta G, delta H, all are the correct one. These are the state function. It depends on initial and final stages only. Does not depend on the path, but it depends on the path also. Clear? So it is already done in the concept. See here. For the reaction acetic acid plus oxygen 2CO2 plus 2H2O at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure, delta H is equal to minus 874 kilojoule. Then the change in internal energy delta E is delta H is equal to delta E plus delta Ng RT. Use this formula. And here delta Ng is number of gaseous product. It is not considered. It is not considered. Oh, it is 2 and 2. 2 and 2 is equal to 0. So delta H is equal to delta E, that is minus 874. This is the answer. No need for any calculation. No need for any calculation because delta Ng is equal to 0. Because delta Ng is equal to 0. So here we done all type of question which learn the which is already learned in the concepts. All question based on these concept. Now we move to the next topic, that is work done.